Good morning to the world. And for those that are on Facebook Live, you may observe that I'm in a different environment today. Actually, we're starting today our first filming of Dragon Squad. So we're preparing all the camera gears or getting ready for our first shoot, which will be at Tudor City Steakhouse, world famous Tudor City Steakhouse, where they made the movie Godfather, Scarface, and Spider-Man. So we'll be filming there and Chinatown. So I guess it's appropriate because we have a lot of technology here, the camera gears, the drones, and we're making a fictitious science fiction style martial arts movie. So it is futuristic, it is technology based, and so it is relevant to today, the 21st of the World Series, which is about why is God relevant in the space age. And I feel it is. And those that follow me know that I discovered my God through my new science and my new mathematics. So it is not a faith based, it is a fact based religion. And through that new discovery of the science is based on the twin universe, the mathematics based on the new number theory, that the natural numbers are grouped into four distinct groups, which is the genetic code of the cosmos, God itself. So the new science that allowed me to prove the existence of a single omnipotent consciousness is also the new science that will propel future humanity into exploration of the outer stars and the inner spirit. So God, the new God, which is encompassed within the one God, one religion, is a practical, knowledge-based, truth-based. So we can use the technology that's evolved to prove the existence of God, to also discover new technology, new frontiers. For example, the science that I use to prove God is exactly the same science that used to explain dark energy, dark matter, missing antimatter, quantum entanglement. For example, I developed the quantum entanglement to, in principle, not in just principle, I believe it is practical that you can build a quantum communicator that will allow you to communicate from two infinite spots, places in the universe. So there's no time lag. And the discovery of the dark energy, dark matter in the other dimension phase of the universe, in principle, also will allow you to, quote, time travel or even travel faster than the speed of light. So it is relevant to where the new species of humanity will be going. But the moral obligation is still the most powerful, because there's no point having having technology. All we use is to destroy ourselves and basically our planet and nature, etc. For having the most advanced technology also requires the most advanced of moral obligation to ourselves and to our surroundings and to nature. So that is why I genuinely believe God is indeed relevant in this space age. So God bless you all, and good luck as we go up to our own adventure today on our first filming of Dragon Squad. All right, take care all, and I'll see you tomorrow.